Mga ka-videokers, subscribe sa among YouTube channel GM Family o Facebook page GM Family Videokers.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Can't be my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Get some rose in the cupboard, got your picture in my head saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her I am? Some try hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken hearted man. I know it make no sense, but what else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and you must start to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back to the place out with me, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving. Policeman says you can't stay here, I say, cause there's someone I'm waiting for. It's day, month, year, gonna stand my ground even it's the rain or snow. If she changes her mind, this is the first place she will go. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and you heart start to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back to the place out with me, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Too, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. People talk about that guy that's waiting on the girl. There are no holes in his shoes, but a big hole in his world. Maybe I'll get famous as a man who can't be moved. Maybe you and me too. When you see me on the news, and you'll come running to the corner, cause you know it's just for you and the man who can't be moved, and the man who can't be moved. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and you heart start to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back here to the place out with me, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Too, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. Girl, I can't be in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move.